Hi, my dear diligent students. Special greetings to the girls from this scheme. I love you. Today we are going to draw a calla lily. Very simple petals, very simple curves. Everything is easy to do. Let's start with the easiest thing. Here is our palette. This is my brush. Today I'll do the same work but with an angled brush, so don't be embarrassed. Here is the set of paints. Let's repeat. Touch the paint slightly with the angle of the brush, then touch another one with a different angle. Shade it. Let's repeat that. Hold the brush perpendicular to the surface of the palette. Start making a brush stroke perpendicularly as well. Our calla lily is made of complicated main axial stroke. Push the brush, roll it. Push, set it straight, loose. One more time. Remember that the dark edge of the brush is moving up the axis, while you push the light edge of the brush. Twist the brush and set it straight. Then go the reverse way. Push the brush, set it straight. Move the brush down to the base of the flower. Now let's add the wraps. This calla lily isn't complicated. Let's imagine that the center of the symmetry is right here. Connect the side and the tail at this point. These triangles show how you should move the brush. Slightly load the pink-colored angle with the white to create visual contrast. Move the brush like this. Here is your calla lily, very easy. You can modify the calla lily further. You may create a bottom for it. Again, keep the center of the symmetry, do the bottom. Do the wrap inward. And open it. Here there is a closed wrap. There we grab the side, then open the wrap. And curve the side this way. This is calla lily with the open collar. Let's add a new movement to the brush stroke, perforation. Now descend and do the wrap. Then do it open. Always remember to apply the pink paint for the background and add some white paint to the pink color for the front. Thus we get depth. Look at this version. Don't forget about the center of the flower. This is how they come to life. Let's try to do some leaves. The leaves are drawn in the same manner. Take a look, I have the same brush stroke. The leaf is drawn with the same basic movements. If we consider a simpler version, our leaf and the bud will look alike. Here is the leaf. So you can create these basic designs. We've mastered simple lines, let's move on to more complex ones.